What's going on, guys? Welcome back. Today, we're talking about why a VA home loan saves you money. And this is we're going to talk about the loan itself. And there's other loans that are out there that you can use, but I highly encourage you, if you have the VA home loan, leverage it to what you want to do. I think a lot of veterans do get steered away from using the VA home loan, and this comes from realtors and lenders alike. I work with folks across the country, so we do see that. And most of the time, it's because of the lack of education that they have. Even if a company may say they do a lot of VA home loans, but unless that loan officer has done VA loans themselves, they don't know what the ins and outs and the quirky things that happen with a VA home loan. Trust me, I think it's the best loan product that's out there. I've used it myself to purchase a property, and you can use it anywhere within the United States. So again, phenomenal product. And let's talk about some of the things that go with the VA home loan that make it such a big benefit. So the first thing is there's no down payment requirement. Now, yes, you have to pay a VA funding fee that gets tagged onto the mortgage. So if you buy it 100% financing, then your balance is going to be a little bit more than what you purchased it for. Now, if you have a VA disability rating of 10% or more, you don't pay the VA funding fee. And guess what? The VA home loan is a life benefit, so it never expires. So, because I had that question the other day, and it kind of inspired me to do this video where they're like, hey, I want to use it in 3 years. Are my benefits going to expire? They're not going to. It's a life benefit with that. Now, with that funding fee, if you don't have service connection, then it's actually a benefit to put money down because that VA funding fee gets reduced with more money that you put down. Now, it will be capped after you put 10% or more down, and the VA funding fee won't change at all, actually. But at least you'll be saving on your monthly payment if you have the ability to do that. Now, with that, you don't pay private mortgage insurance, which is a monthly fee that somebody would have to pay on a conventional loan if they did less than 20% down payment. Now, that fee is going to range widely based on the type of property you're purchasing, along with the credit score that you have. So that's going to have a big factor. For FHA loans, it's a flat number. They charge you an upfront mortgage insurance premium instead of a VA funding fee. And then they charge you a monthly fee, which is a fixed cost, right? So sometimes when you're trying to leverage, let's say, having multiple properties, you're on active duty, you have a job you can work remote, and you want to build an empire of real estate, right? Be a real estate mogul. It takes then you start looking at other loan products and what makes sense and what doesn't. With the VA loan, right, you have that benefit of no down payment, no private mortgage insurance, which leads to veterans being able to purchase much sooner than any demographic that's out there. And on top of that, keeping all things equal, a veteran with no down payment, no private mortgage insurance, right, 100% financing, compared to somebody with a conventional loan qualifying for a regular conventional loan with 5% down, will still typically have a lower payment just because of the private mortgage insurance, and typically rates on VA home loans are going to be less than a conventional loan. Now, that is going to be very bank dependent. For some reason, some banks, they try to take advantage of the veteran situation, and they charge higher fees than on a conventional or FHA loan, let's say, but that normally is not the case. And the other thing that I really want to point out to the veteran community is that the big banks that market to you on a daily basis, right? We see they have great commercials, and some of them are the biggest VA lenders that are out there. You'll also pay the highest amount in fees, not by a little, but by a lot. So if you guys ever want to compare, let's say, a loan estimate that you have from a mortgage company and you're going through the home buying process, please, in the description down below, you can submit a loan estimate or schedule a time to talk with me so we can help you through that home buying process. Please hit the like and subscribe button. I'll catch you guys soon.